and welcome back to Next Stage Designs with me, Sylvia. In today's video I am going to show you how to crochet another lovely and very easy headband. So for today's headband I'll be using my favorite mercerized cotton yarn. I will leave the link in the description below for this yarn. Also I'll be using 3.5mm hook. You will also need a yarn needle, pair of scissors. So before we start, we are going to leave at least 1 meter long yarn end, or 100 centimeters. So this will become our chain. And from this point here, we are going to start our slip knot. Hold your yarn like so, wrap it around your 2 fingers and create a cross. Go under this first one, on top of the second one, pull it down and twist your hook. Hold it and release. And this is your slip knot. From this point, we are going to chain 7. Yarn over and pull through like so. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And into the 4th one from your hook, we are going to do treble crochet. Do not count this loop on your hook. So we are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and into this 4th one, do treble crochet. To do treble crochet, we are going to yarn over twice. Yarn over once and twice, and into this 4th one, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through 2 loops like so. And again we are going to chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We're going to repeat exactly the same into the 4th one from your hook. You are going to do treble crochet. Yarn over twice and into the 4th one, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Insert your hook there, yarn over, bring it up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we are going to repeat exactly the same again and again until you get the length of this pattern you want. So I'm gonna go with the 5 and you do as many as you want. And once I get my 5, these loops, I will show you what to do next. Just repeat 7 and then again treble crochet into the 4th stitch from your hook. Okay, so once you are happy with as many holes as you needed, so for me I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we can work our pattern. So this is my last one and I'm going to chain 1 like so, and now I will place 6 single crochet inside the ring. So insert your hook inside the ring, yarn over, bring it up, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again and pull through. So this is our first, and we need 5 more, altogether 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So we have 6. And between these rings we should have 3 stitches. So as you can see here, we have 1, 2, and 3. And we are going to do single crochet into the stitches as well. Okay, so this is my first one here. So just insert your hook inside, yarn over and do single crochet. So that's your first. Then the next one is here, and the last one. So you should have 3 between the rings. Okay, and now jump straight into the next ring and do again single crochet. So I'm gonna do 6 single crochet again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again I got 3 chains between the rings, and I do single crochet in those chains as well. So this is my first one, single crochet 1, the second one, single crochet, and the last one here. And again into the next ring, and this is our pattern, and that's what you are going to do all the way down in every ring. And once you get to your last one, I show you what to do next. Okay, so just continue in the okay, so I am at the end, and I worked a single crochet, and now we are going to do 1 slip stitch here, and we are going to work on the other side. So we are going to do exactly the same. So we're gonna do 6 single crochet here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And you can see here we were working into these 3 stitches. So we are going to insert, let me just show you with the needle, maybe we'll see better. So we're gonna insert exactly where we done the stitches. So that's the first one here. So that's the first one here. So we're gonna insert here, 2 single crochet, then into this one, single crochet, and the third one here, single crochet. Okay, so my first one will be here into the same place. So be single crochet 1, then the next one is here, as you can see, this little V. So that's my next one, yarn over, do single crochet there, and the last one is here, and do single crochet there. And it's looking really good. And do exactly the same what we did before. Again, 6 single crochet into the next ring. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and again 3 single crochet between the rings. So it's 1, then it's 2, and 3, and straight into the next ring. And that's all you're gonna do until you come to your last one, and then I show you what to do next. So this is my last ring, and I already done 1 single crochet, and I need 5 more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one, 6. And you are going to find your first stitch here and do a slip stitch like so, and from here you are going to create a chain as long as you want for your headband. So just make sure it's long enough to wrap around your head. And now for me, I like to have my chains quite long, so you can go up to 1 meter or 70 centimeters if you don't want it as long, and just chain as many as you want. And I'm going to fasten off now, so simply just once you're happy with the length, you just fasten off like so. And here you can add the beads if you want, or whatever you like, and it looks really nice as well. You can also just do the knots at the end like so. And on the other side, where we left this really long chain, we are going to insert our hook into this last stitch we had there, yarn over and pull through, and simply just continue the chain. So it will look really good because you don't need to attach it. You just simply create the chain, and also you can cut these ends, or you can hide them inside with your yarn needle. And this is it. This is our super cute headband. Very simple, very good for the beginners. So I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please don't forget to like my video, share my video, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel Unique Stitch Designs for more ideas from Miss Sylvia. Thank you very much for watching.